you know about rhino decision? The rhino's horn, tough but neat. A rhino's horn is made with care. The keratin, like your nails and hair. It's strong and sharp, but here's the twist. It's not attached like other horns that exist.
Keratin builds this mighty horn, nature's power, tough and worn. But unlike most, it's not on bone, a unique horn all on its own.
Rhino horns are strong and true, made from the same stuff as me and you. Not attached to the skull like the rest. Rhinos carry horns that are the best.
Other animals have horns of bone, but rhinos are special, grown alone. Keratin packed and strong with might, a rhino's horn is quite the sight.
Keratin gives its strength so bold, like your hair, but tough as gold. It grows and grows, fierce and strong. A rhino's horn, all life long. With horns so grand, they stand with pride. In the wild, where they stride. A unique creation, built to last. Their mighty horns grow so fast. So when you see a rhino's horn, remember it's where keratin is born. Not attached like other beasts, but still a masterpiece. Rhino horns are strong and true, made from the same stuff as me and you. Not attached to the skull like the rest. Rhinos carry horns